Sometimes when you're working on an HID remapper configuration that uses multiple layers and the rules start getting complex, it would be useful to be able to tell which layers are active at any given time. In this video, I'd like to show you how you can make the LEDs on your keyboard work as indicators for the currently active layers. Of course, this will only work if your keyboard is connected to the HID remapper that you're currently setting up. But even if you're using your HID remapper for your mouse or some other device, you can temporarily use a USB hub to connect both your mouse and your keyboard to your HID remapper, and after you're done working on the configuration, you can remove the hub and only leave the mouse connected to HID remapper. Okay. For the purpose of the demonstration, let's create two simple mappings. I want the left shift to activate layer 1, and I want the right shift to activate layer 2. Let's say I want the caps lock LED to turn on when layer 1 is active and the scroll lock LED to turn on when layer 2 is active. For this, we'll need two mappings. First one will have the caps lock LED as its output, and it will be active only on layer 1. Second one will have the scroll lock LED as its output, and it will be active only on layer 2. Now we also need to set something as the inputs for these two mappings. We want something that will always be on, some kind of virtual key that's always pressed. For this, we're going to use an expression. Don't worry, it will be a very simple one. You don't have to know anything about the expression syntax. We'll make an expression that always returns 1, essentially a constant. And we'll make that expression the input to our two mappings that have the LEDs as outputs. So these two mappings now say, turn this LED on, but only on layer 1, and this LED on, but only on layer 2. Okay, let's save the configuration to our HID remapper and see if it works. Note how when I hold the left shift, the caps lock LED turns on, and when I hold the right shift, the scroll lock LED turns on. This means our layer visualization is working. Let's try one more thing. I'm going to hold the left shift, and while holding it, I'm going to press the right shift. Did you expect the scroll lock LED to turn on? If you did, then this visualization is already proving useful. Because of how we set these mappings up, the right shift only activates layer 2 if we are on layer 0. In other words, if no other layer is active. If we want to make it work on layer 1 as well, we have to explicitly tell it that by ticking this checkbox. Let's also tick this checkbox to make the left shift activate layer 1 also when we are already on layer 2. Let's save this configuration and let's see if it works. Now when I hold the left shift and then hold the right shift, we can see that both the caps lock and the scroll lock LEDs turn on. This means that both layer 1 and layer 2 are now active. Similarly, when I hold the right shift first and then the left shift, both layers are now active. Okay, I hope this was useful. If you want to learn more about HID remapper, take a look at the project's GitHub repository, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.